Are you looking for the best fat tire electric bike under $2,000? In this video we will look at some of the best fat tire electric bike under $2,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. EUY NXB 750 watts electric bike. The EUY NXB 750 watts electric bike is a cutting-edge electric bicycle designed to offer enhanced performance and versatility for adult riders. This e-bike boasts a powerful 750 watt motor, providing ample power to effortlessly navigate various terrains and achieve speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. 48 kilometers per hour. Its distinctive feature is the use of 20 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires, specifically designed to tackle different surfaces, including snow-covered landscapes, making it an ideal choice for winter and off-road riding experiences. One of the standout components of the EUY NXB 750 watts electric bike is its Samsung 48 volts 12.8Ah lithium battery. This high-capacity battery not only offers a significant range on a single charge but also contributes to the bike's overall performance. The battery can be conveniently recharged, allowing riders to enjoy extended rides without frequent interruptions. The 20 inches 4.0 fat tire design plays a crucial role in enhancing stability and control. The wider tires increase surface contact, leading to improved traction and better handling on uneven terrains. This feature not only makes the bike suitable for snowy conditions but also enhances its capability to tackle gravel paths, sand, and other challenging surfaces. Number 2. Ridstar H26 Fat Tire Electric Bicycle. The Ridstar H26 Fat Tire Electric Bicycle is an innovative and versatile mode of transportation that combines the convenience of electric power with the rugged capabilities of a fat tire mountain bike. This electric bicycle is designed to offer an enhanced cycling experience, particularly for those who enjoy off-road adventures, mountain trails, and urban commuting. At the core of the Ridstar H26 is a powerful 1000 watts electric motor, which is driven by a 48 volts 14Ah battery. This robust combination provides ample power to conquer challenging terrains, steep inclines, and various road conditions with ease. The fat tire design further enhances its capabilities, allowing riders to navigate through sandy, snowy, or uneven surfaces while maintaining stability and control. One of the standout features of the Ridstar H26 is its folding capability. This convenient design element makes it easy to transport and store the electric bicycle, whether you're taking it on public transportation, stowing it in a compact space, or storing it at home. The folding mechanism adds a layer of portability that traditional bikes often lack. Number 3. 20 inches folding e-bike. The 20 folding e-bike is a versatile and convenient mode of transportation that caters to the modern needs of urban commuters. This e-bike stands out due to its compact design, powerful motor, impressive speed capabilities, and advanced battery technology. Designed to accommodate both men and women, this folding e-bike offers a practical solution for those seeking an eco-friendly and efficient way to navigate through bustling city streets or explore various terrains. At its core, the e-bike is equipped with a robust 1000 watts motor that provides ample power to effortlessly tackle inclines and reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. This motor offers a dynamic riding experience, particularly when compared to traditional pedal-powered bicycles. The 7-speed system further enhances the versatility of the e-bike, allowing riders to adjust their level of effort and adapt to different terrains and riding conditions. Number 4. Shengmilo MX-04 Electric Bike. The Shengmilo MX-04 electric bike is a powerful and versatile electric bicycle designed to provide an enhanced riding experience, especially in challenging terrains like snow-covered paths and rugged trails. With its 1000 watts super-level motor, this electric bike offers substantial power, making it suitable for various outdoor adventures. The bike is equipped with a 48 volts 15Ah lithium battery, providing a reliable and long-lasting energy source for extended rides. The large capacity of the battery ensures that riders can cover significant distances on a single charge, making it convenient for both leisurely rides and longer journeys. One of the standout features of the Shengmilo MX-04 is its 3.0 fat tires. These wider tires are specifically designed to tackle diverse terrains with ease, such as snowy surfaces, sandy trails, and uneven paths. The fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, allowing riders to confidently navigate through challenging conditions. Number 5. JINGHMA Electric Bicycle. The JINGHMA electric bicycle stands at the forefront of modern transportation, seamlessly blending the eco-friendly appeal of traditional bicycles with cutting-edge electric technology. Designed to cater to a wide range of preferences and needs, this electric bicycle is a remarkable addition to the world of personal mobility. The JINGHMA electric bicycle is powered by an 800 watts electric motor, which provides a significant boost to pedaling efforts. This electric assistance enables riders to effortlessly conquer challenging terrains, steep inclines, and cover longer distances without breaking a sweat. Equipped with a 48 volts 12.8 lithium battery, the JINGHMA electric bicycle offers impressive range and endurance. This high-capacity battery allows riders to travel extended distances on a single charge, making it suitable for both short commutes and leisure rides. The inclusion of 4.0-inch fat tires adds versatility to the JINGHMA electric bicycle. These wide tires provide enhanced stability and traction, allowing riders to confidently navigate through various surfaces, including sand, snow, and rough roads.